In our unending quest to explore the profound connection between our inner world and the vast universe that surrounds us, we embark on a journey through the captivating concept of the mirror principle. This principle transcends the boundaries of esoteric wisdom and scientific knowledge, offering us the keys to unlock the profound tapestry that interlaces the microcosm and macrocosm. To truly grasp the mirror principle, we must dive into the rich wellspring of ancient knowledge and spiritual teachings. From the Bhagavad Gita, we draw inspiration. As a person puts on new garments, giving up old ones, similarly, the soul accepts new material bodies, giving up the old and useless. This profound insight unveils the idea that our existence is an unceasing cycle of rebirth and renewal, reflecting not just the physical but the spiritual transformation within us. In the scientific realm, the mirror principle finds a remarkable counterpart in quantum physics. Dr. David Bohm, a visionary physicist, discovered that subatomic particles mirror one another's behavior, irrespective of their distance. This phenomenon, known as quantum entanglement, underscores a profound interconnectedness in the fabric of the universe. The essence of the mirror principle asserts that our external reality acts as a mirror, reflecting our inner state. When we peer into a mirror, we don't merely see our physical form, we catch a glimpse of our consciousness, emotions, and thoughts. Yogic philosophy expounds on the idea that our bodies and minds serve as microcosms of the universe. In the Yoga Sutras of Patanjali, we find, Yoga is the cessation of the fluctuations of the mind. This principle accentuates the profound relationship between inner tranquility and the cessation of cosmic chaos. Contemporary psychology reinforces the mirror principle in therapeutic contexts. As the renowned psychologist Carl Jung aptly stated, "Your vision will become clear only when you can look into your own heart. Who looks outside dreams, who looks inside awakes." This perspective encourages introspection as a means to heal and transform our external reality. The creative process serves as a tangible mirror in which we can witness the amalgamation of our inner and outer worlds. As the legendary artist Leonardo da Vinci once posited, "Painting is poetry that is seen rather than felt, and poetry is painting that is felt rather than seen." This artistic insight reminds us that our inner visions manifest in our creative expressions. The deeper we delve into the mirror principle, the more we realize that this reflection is not just a surface illusion. It permeates the very core of our existence and underscores the interconnectedness of all life. The mirror principle beckons us to explore the profound interplay between our inner and outer worlds. It invites us to understand and transcend the mirror that unites us with the universe, to bridge the gap between self and cosmos. But how can we practically apply this principle to our own lives? Here are some practical steps to apply the mirror principle in your life. Self-reflection. Start with introspection. Take time to examine your thoughts, emotions, and inner dialogue. Journaling can be a valuable tool for this purpose. Mindfulness meditation. Cultivate inner stillness through mindfulness meditation. This practice will help you observe your thoughts and emotions without judgment, allowing you to understand their reflection in your external experiences. Visualization. Use creative visualization to manifest positive changes in your life. When you visualize your desired outcomes, you are setting in motion the reflection of your inner dreams in the outer world. Surround yourself with positivity. Pay attention to the people and environments you engage with. They mirror your energy and influence your inner state. Choose wisely. Practice empathy. Recognize that others, too, are mirrors of your own thoughts and emotions. When you interact with empathy and compassion, you create a positive reflection in your social world. By applying these steps, you can unlock the transformative potential of the mirror principle in your own life.